Welcome to episode 1 of Realtors and Rides looking at real estate with Tony Yuen and
Justin Law and
our valet.
Here you go.
Thanks, sir.
Want to give me the keys? Valet.
I don't think so. We're here tonight at 3691 Bargen Drive in Richmond, one of our newest listings. I want to take you here because this is one of my favorite listings to date, and there's a reason why. Come on in. So let's pop up upstairs. Everything about this house is about entertaining. It's centered around entertaining, parties, and nightlife. So starting here, you have a very expansive open concept living room, dining room, engineered hardwood flooring. As you can see, you've got recessed pot lights, gas fireplace that's fully been refaced, and your entertaining starts here. So most homes in Richmond, you're gonna find them in the size of somewhere between 2,000 to 2,500 square feet. One of the most unique features about this house is that this is over 3,100 square feet of space, and you can see where most of it is, the most important room in the home. You've got a massive island. As you can see, you could sit easily up to 4 people here and have a entertaining party here while you cook. So this is where the party starts, right? From kitchen to your patio, and I'm gonna give you a glimpse before I take you downstairs. That's where your nightcaps happen. All right, before we head down, let's take a look at what the rest of the house has to offer. We have a total of 3 bedrooms, starting with the master, and I love this master bedroom. There's a reason for it. They've opened up this entire original closet to take you directly into the second bedroom, or AKA your walk-in closet. As we head back out, you have the most versatile room in the house. This can be a bedroom. They're using it as an art room. It could be a nanny room, or simply your piano room. So I'm gonna take you downstairs, and I know what you're thinking. How exciting can a downstairs be? Your very own professional soundproofed studio. I'm not allowed to touch anything here, but the owners aren't home, so no, I'm just kidding. So this whole room used to be a garage that is now converted into a studio. Okay, so keep in mind you've got 3 bedrooms upstairs. You have a potential additional bedroom right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, bedroom number 5. And I'm gonna leave your imagination here. So you actually have a working fireplace in this room that they've obviously closed off, but sky's the limit in here. And most importantly, you have a separate entrance for the downstairs, which can potentially give you a mortgage helper, which is not something you can usually get in Richmond. So I've saved the best for last. You have over 7,700 square feet of a completely private backyard surrounded by a forest of trees. You've got cedars, magnolias, raspberry, blueberry bushes, pear tree, apple tree, but most importantly, not tonight, guys. Next time.